Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, how you can make $1 million in just 12 months without any college degree or prior experience. That's right, you heard me correctly, $1 million. You don't need some fancy degree or years of experience, all you need is action. We're gonna break it down into 5 actionable steps, a foolproof plan to help you crush it and achieve that life-changing goal. Get ready to hustle because this is gonna be intense. First things first, you gotta believe it to achieve it. Millionaires think differently, they're not afraid to dream big, to push boundaries, and they definitely don't let fear hold them back. Start visualizing yourself already hitting that $1 million mark. Picture the success, feel the excitement, and let that fuel your drive. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Write down your goals, say them out loud, and break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. So, are you ready to unleash your inner beast and conquer the world? Because I know you've got this. Alright, now that you've got the right mindset, it's time to find your golden ticket, a profitable niche. Think about your passions, your skills, and what gets you fired up. What are you naturally good at? What do people always ask for your help with? The key here is to find something you enjoy because trust me, the money is way more rewarding when you're passionate about what you're doing. Now let's talk market research. Head over to Google Trends, check out social media, see what people are searching for, what problems they need solving. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that's profitable, but also has low competition. Look for those hidden gems, those underserved markets just waiting for someone like you to come in and dominate. Once you've narrowed down your niche, it's time to get laser focused. Become an expert in that field. Eat, sleep, and breathe it. Chapter 3, Building Your Online Empire, From Zero to Hero. Listen up because this is crucial. In today's digital age, you need a strong online presence. First things first, you need a website. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be fancy or cost a fortune. There are tons of affordable website builders out there. Just make sure it's clean, professional, and showcases your unique value proposition. Next up, social media. It's time to build your tribe. Create engaging content, share your story, your expertise, and connect with your audience on a personal level. Think blog posts, videos, podcasts, the works. The more value you provide, the more you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. And remember, consistency is key. Chapter 4, The Power of the Pack. Networking your way to the top. Alright, let's talk about the power of networking. You've heard it before. It's not always what you know, but who you know. Get out there and start building relationships. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Remember, networking isn't just about handing out business cards, it's about building genuine relationships. Finding a mentor is like having a shortcut to success. They've been there, done that, and they've got the battle scars to prove it. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, even if they seem out of your league. Remember, networking and mentorship are two-way streets. Be willing to give back, offer your skills and expertise, and pay it forward. Chapter 5, Never Stop Learning, Level Up Your Game. Here's the deal, the world is constantly changing, especially in the online world. What works today might be obsolete tomorrow. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, and take online courses in your field. Attend webinars, follow industry leaders on social media, and never stop seeking new knowledge. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Whether it's a course, a coach, or a mastermind group, consider it an investment in your future success. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more power you have, the faster you can reach that $1 million mark. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to fail. Learn from your mistakes, pivot when necessary, and never ever give up on your dreams. And there you have it, folks. 5 actionable steps to help you make $1 million in just 12 months. Remember, it's all about taking action and staying committed. Write down those goals, start building that online presence, and get out there and network like your life depends on it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. And hey, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which step you're going to take action on first. See you in the next video.